how to have a search bar instead of a search icon. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can get a search bar instead of the search icon. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here you can see we have the search icon right here, and when we click on it, it opens up the bar right here, the search bar, but this does not look good. Like you can see right here, it's weird, it's so big, and even if we open it up, it doesn't really look elegant at all. You even have the search icon right here. So now what I would like is, instead of this icon, we should already have a bar right here, over here, right? And this little navigation bar, instead of just clicking on it and then it opens up this ugly looking bar. So let's go ahead and fix this. So if you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for free for the first 3 days, and then after that you can go ahead and purchase a plan for 1 month. It's pretty cool. And once you have created an account, you've logged in, right? You're gonna go over here onto the left hand side, go into your online store, and then underneath themes, it's gonna load up the theme section, and here you're gonna go ahead and click on customize. You're gonna customize your Shopify store. Now here you might have this option right here called header. You click over here, you can see you have some other options. So over here, usually you might have an option, depending on what type of Shopify version you're running, you might get a option where it says to have like a search bar icon or search bar, but sometimes it doesn't. For me, it doesn't say that because I remember like in the older version, I might have gotten one. But yeah, you're gonna come back underneath themes, go into the theme settings right here, click over here on these 3 dots, and then you're gonna go ahead and click on edit code. Right, it's going to open up the code editor right here, and what you're going to do over here, and here you're going to search for a certain file, right? So you've got a bunch of options. So usually it's in underneath the theme section, but if you don't find it, you can quickly just simply click on the search bar or filter files over here and just simply type in header. And you're going to find it right here, header.liquid. So click on header.liquid, and it's going to open up the entire code right here. All right. So here you're going to make some teeny little modifications. So it's very important to get this right. And here what you're going to do is make sure to create a copy of this code. So just simply hit Control A or Command A if you're on Mac, and then Control C or Command C, or just simply right click and copy it and then paste it somewhere. So open up like a notepad or something and just paste it over here and keep it on the side, just in case if your code fails, because if it fails, you can just simply copy it from your notepad, the one that already works, and then paste it over here and go back to when you messed up. Next, you're going to copy this code right here. You might find the link in the description below. I'll be sure to paste it over there, and then just copy the link of the code, and then come back over here. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to find a specific line. All right. So you're going to hit the Control F button or Command F if you're on Mac, and then just simply type in render column header. All right. Or just simply render. So you've got this option right here, render. All right, here, this is the one, the single column, not the double column, but the single column. All right. Sorry about that. And then just simply find the line that you want. Right. So this is the one that we would want. Let me see, how much do we got? So actually this is the one that we want. Search in model. Yeah, this is the one that we want. For me, it's on line 227. For you, it might be on a different line. So keep that in mind. That's why I told you to find this one. It should be different from the other one. So for example, if you come over here, let me show you. So the previous ones, like this one, it had search in model, but it was different, right? It was not closed. It was an open line. So for this one, it's different. You can see right here, it has the flower brackets at the end. It's closed. This is the one that you would want, right? For you, it might be 225 or 226 or 229 or 230. Just, search for render, header, search, input, search in model with flower brackets at the end. So what you need to do is actually remove this line, right? Keep that in mind. You gotta go ahead and select it, go back, delete the line, press backspace, remove it, and then paste the code that you copied, right? And then once you've pasted it, just hit the save button, give it a couple of seconds for it to be saved, and then go to your store and, reload it. And it should work. There we go. So you can see right here, now we have a much better and cooler looking search bar instead of that ugly search icon. So now you can see it doesn't even open up that weird search bar. It's just, right there. And of course, if you know a bunch of CSS codes, right, Let me just go ahead and go back over here. And if you know some other CSS codes, you can even make it more beautiful or, better looking. So you can see right here, if we click on the header option, right, you can see over here on the right hand side, you've got sticky header, right? You can just change it to always. That way it'll always stick to the top. You can click over here to show a separation line. I don't know if it's working or not, but yeah, you've got the color scheme over here. You can enable country, enable language selector, and even show avatar, which is, if you want to have that. But yeah, if you know some CSS code, come down over here, paste some, custom CSS codes over here, and you can go ahead and, mess around with it and make it even more prettier if you want. But yeah, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and, see whether or not it works. So let's go ahead and search for, I don't know, let's go search for hat. You can see right here, it definitely works. If we just simply search for a product, it'll pop up over here. If I click on search for hat, there you go. That's the hat right there. What if I just simply search for shirt? I believe I do have a couple of products. There we go. So if I just simply search for shirt, every product that has the word shirt in it is going to appear over here. So we can see it definitely, definitely works. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. The search bar does look pretty nice, although it does look a little bit bigger. I would say the navigation bar is a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and fix that. So if we come over here, we can see the top padding and bottom padding. We can go ahead and, like lower it over here. Go with something like that, maybe 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom. That looks good. So now let me just reload the page. There you go. Now it looks a little bit much better, smaller actually. There you go. It actually fits perfectly. It's a little bit tight, but you can go ahead and change it however you want to. But yeah, pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Again, make sure to go ahead and copy the code and paste it correctly. It's actually very important. So let me just go ahead and show you again. So we're going to come over here. For me, it was line 227. There we go. 227. Here we go. So here I pasted this code, right? You can see right here all the way up to 322. So here we go. So again, just simply press Control F, and here just simply search for render, single comma, header, click on next, 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 and you're gonna find this one right here with the closed flower brackets. This is the one that we want. So for me, it was actually 260. Sorry about that. So again, Bradley Martin 260. But yeah, closed brackets, flower brackets over here. This is the one that you would want. Search in modal flower brackets. So remove this and paste the code that you would find in the description below, and then make sure to save it, and you will have a pretty simple, cute little search bar. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.